Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Tharp, and I want to talk to you today about an opportunity for your small business to work with some of our students in our search engine optimization course to let our students audit your online presence over the course of the semester. And in return, what you'll get is the results of those audits so that you'll have an opportunity to learn how your website, your social media, etc., are configured to work well to show up in search engine results pages like those that you would get from Google, Bing, those kind of things. So in our class, our students are required to work with a partner organization. That partner organization needs to be a relatively small business or a small to medium-sized business, not too big and not too small. They need to be in that range where they're active with their online presence. So you regularly update your online content. Maybe you're using social media to market your business. Maybe you're using some videos, etc. So big enough that you're actively involved with the web presence, because if there isn't good content there, there's really nothing for them to audit. But small enough so that you don't have a team of people who are already working on the search engine optimization. So we need to find those small to medium businesses so that our students have the ability to use real world data to learn what they need to learn. In exchange, what they will do is they will create an audit of your online presence, and they will present the findings of that audit to you. In the process of doing this, what they'll do is we have 4 questions that we go throughout the semester. The first question is, what is it? So what is it that we're looking at that particular moment that affects how you show up in search engine optimizations? Why does it matter? So there's a lot of different variables. Why does each of those variables matter? What did they find in the data? And this is where we really need partner organizations. We need to be able to look at data about your organization and what are the recommendations based upon what they found in the data. So you'll be able to, they'll give you a recommendation for ways that you might be able to help improve your the way that you show up in search results because of the way that you configure your website, the way you use social media, that kind of thing. And so what we're looking for is organizations who have enough of an understanding about the web that they know that maybe you're marketing with the web or social media, but small enough that you don't have a team of people that are doing that, because there's really no sense in looking at something that you already know what is going on. So that's those small to medium-sized businesses. We've been doing this since 2012. We have worked with hundreds of businesses in Menominee and the region and around the world in the process of doing this. And what it does is it allows us to give our students real-world learning experience, but it requires us to have partner organizations. And a lot of the businesses in the Menominee area have already been partners with us because we've been doing this for so long. So what we're looking for is those businesses who understand somewhat about marketing on the web, but know that there's more that you could be doing, because that's what we hopefully will end up doing, is giving you the information so that you can bring it to the next level, so that you can increase the traffic to your online presence so that you can better accomplish your goals. So what I would like to do is that there are certain criteria that we have to meet within. First off, if you're using Wix as your website provider, it's not going to work. Wix is a content provider that makes it easy for you to create websites, but what they do is they block us out so that we can't see what's going on, so that we can't do the audit. So if you're using Wix as WIX as your service provider, we're not going to be able to work with you. You need to have somebody that the student can work with. This doesn't take a great deal of time. Mostly some interaction at the beginning of the semester to help get them access to your Google Analytics and answer some questions about what kind of accounts you're using, that kind of stuff. The other thing is you need to either have Google Analytics on your website or be willing to put it on there and have the ability to do that. Now, we can help you to understand how to do that. We can't do it for you. Our students are not going to change any of your content. They're going to audit what you are doing and give you recommendations about how you can do it better. So they'll need access to the analytics. You can't be on Wix, and you need to be an active internet company so that you're not crazy active, but active enough so that there's something for them to look at. I've got a website here that you can see on the screen here that's got information about basically what the situation is, how it's going to work, all of that. So I'll put the link to that website on this video in the comments below. You can check that out. If you're interested in being a partner organization, I would like you to email me at tharpk, Tharpk, at uw-stout.edu and let me know that you're interested in being a partner organization. I'll need the contact person's name from your organization, your web address, your an email address where we can contact you, and a phone number where a student can contact you. Now, I can't guarantee that if you send me this that a student will choose you as a partner. That's up to the student, and they will be the ones that manage the relationship with you. All I'm going to do is provide leads that they can look at so that they can possibly find and decide to use you as a partner organization. So I can't guarantee you anything except that we're going to try and find you a student. And that's sort of where it's at. So if you're interested in being a partner, email me and I'll get you on a list so that if we have any students who otherwise can't find their own partner organization, they'll be able to choose from that list to see if they can work with you. Thank you very much. Again, I'm Dr. Kevin Tharp, University of Wisconsin-Stout.